And now let's see how Romance and Violetta will dance silver level tango choreography with the count. Quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick and quick, quick and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Very good. Let's look again from another angle. And quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick and quick, quick and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Very good. And now let's look how Romance and Violetta will dance same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we start with outside swivel, finishing in promenade position, continue with promenade link, and then progressive sidestep, reverse turn, which includes also a rock on left foot and closed finish. From here we dance syncopated basic reverse turn, continued by open reverse turn in basic timing. Very good. Let's look again, this time from another direction. So we take close hold and start with 2 steps of reverse turn and then outside swivel itself. From promenade we dance promenade link, and now progressive sidestep, we turn to left and dance reverse turn, including a rock on left foot and close finish. We continue with syncopated basic reverse turn and then open reverse turn in a basic timing. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And now I also encourage you to join us on Patreon and have early access to all new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.